guess what? I have a little secret to tell you. CPJ, the CPJ, just gave me 3 of their awesome food boxes. Oh. You want to see what's in them?
Show me.
So I thought it would be really cool to do an unboxing video of all 3 boxes. So let's see what's inside.
Action.
Got penne pasta. Another penne pasta. Ooh, we got Pinot Grigio, Fantini brand. That's nice. And papaya chutney. All right, this is too slow. I like to do things really fast, so let's just cut to the chase, right? Big shout out to CPJ for sending me these. So grateful, so appreciative. Thank you so much.
I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
Make sure you check out their website, guys, and their Instagram pages to see the other box specials that they have. They're pretty good deals. What on earth am I gonna cook with this? Please help me out here. I know hubby is already challenging me to a porterhouse steak cook-off because he swears he's the king of steak. I'm not so much, but then again, I know I cook better than him. So. I'm the chef here. So I don't know. What do you think? Should we do a cook-off? Let me know if you have any crazy ideas of ways I could make duck. The only way I've had duck is duck in plum sauce. Should I do a traditional or try something really different? I mean, should I do like a curry duck or curry porterhouse steak?
No.
What you talking about, Willis?
I don't know. We'll see. And look at this lamb. It's huge. Oh my goodness. I don't even have a pot this big. I may have to throw this on the grill. And I see jerk seasoning. Maybe you can do like a jerk. Leg of lamb. Sounding good?
I don't know what it is, but I want to try it.
And I have a ton of sweet corn. I did a really nice elote corn recently, so maybe I will have to do that again. And maybe some tonka meal, something.
Oh, yes.
This should be fun. I'm gonna do a series of recipes with these and show you what I whip up. Make sure you stay tuned, attached to my YouTube channel, guys, so that you can see and get inspiration for dishes you can make with these babies. And yeah, stay tuned. I forgot what you said the last part.
Up energy, up energy, up
Up, 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 up. All right, guys.
What was that? Someone?
The smell. Bounty of choice meats and goodies. Oh my gosh.
Scooties. Scooties.
Goodies.